Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the key specs: panel wattage, battery voltage, and amp hours. Once confirmed, mount the panel where it gets maximum sun and inspect cable routes. Make sure to use a fuse close to the panel and match cable gauge to current. Undersized wire wastes power and heats up. Connect the charge controller only after fuses are in place. This first set of steps prevents damage and gets you ready for the electrical hookup. Once done with mounting and fusing, attach the panel leads to the charge controller PV terminals. Observing polarity, reversing causes faults. Next, program the controller to the battery chemistry and appropriate float/full voltages so charging follows safe stages. MPPT maximizes harvest under variable light. Make sure temperature compensation is set if you have it. Use a multimeter to check PV voltage and controller readings, while the sun angle changes to You now connect the controller battery output to the battery, placing the fuse near the battery positive. This completes the circuit. Observe the controller. Charging current should appear and battery voltage should climb over time. Note state of charge behavior. Let the system run for a full sun cycle and recheck connections and mount stability. If things go wrong, the most common fix is checking fuse, reversed polarity, loose connections, incorrect battery type setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.